Open the Civil 3D metric application and wait until the Civil 3D opens up. It may take a while depending on the device you are using. First, we can see the basic user interface of Civil 3D. So when we get into the interface, we can see that it looks the same as the AutoCAD. Once you get into the interface, if you don't see the Civil 3D tools, go to the drop menu on the top part of the Quick Access toolbar and click on it. You can see the Civil 3D. Click on it and that will load the Civil 3D tools.
So let's run quickly into the user interface. So on the top left is the application menu. So when you click on it, you can see the typical menu. You can open a new file, existing file, save, save as, export, publish, print, and all the options. You can also pin the recent projects so you will not get lost in opening new files. So just a little trick on this menu. Sample if I have a little line drawn and if I try to exit the software, a prompt will appear and saying you have unsaved project. So now, when you double click the application menu, same thing will also happen. So when you double click the application menu, it tries to close the Civil 3D. So when you are opening a heavy project that doesn't load the project and takes a while opening it, don't click and click. So it will not close the application, so just be watchful of that.
So next on your application menu is your Quick Access toolbar. In the Quick Access toolbar, you get a whole bunch of tools here. And let's say you need specific tools. You can always click on this little drop icon. So when you click on it, you can see all the tools you need. You can also turn off them as well. And there is more bunch of tools you can turn on. And if you can't find the tool you want, you can click the More command. You can also click the Show Menu Bar if you want to show the typical menu bar, like from AutoCAD, and we just suggest that for beginners to have this one in the screen because it generally shows all the tools and every option that is available within your Civil 3D, so pretty much useful.
So next, you can click the Show Below ribbon. This is for people who have used AutoCAD Classic interface and is just a little feature they left for people who really like the interface of AutoCAD and want to keep using that. You can go on any of this tool and you can right click and add to Quick Access, and that you will add to Quick Access toolbar. And if you want to remove, you can just right click and remove. If you want to use other interfaces, just click on the drop icon and click Show above the ribbon. On the right side, you can see the info box. You can click on the drop down and some useful icons in this option is the tutorials button. You can check some videos here to learn some new techniques, and you can also check the discussion in groups to see forums. Next is the ribbon interface. In each panel, you can see different tools you can use. This panel is adjustable, and you can drop it in any location you want and it will be very handy.